Is Cash Karma a legit way to make some extra cash online, or is it a waste of time? Hi, this is V from Make Money Online, and today I'll give you a full guided tour of this platform so that you can decide whether it is worth your time or not. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update about tips and tricks on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video. So let's begin this video with even who can join this platform. So I'll leave a link below in description. You can check whether this app is available on Play Store in your country or not. But generally it is available almost in every country, so you can join from no matter the country you live in. Okay, so now let's talk about the earning opportunities which we have on this platform. So the first thing is daily rewards. So here, as you can see, like you can do daily check-ins and you will receive one scratch card, and that scratch card will be worth certain karma points, so you can get those karma points. Apart from that, as you can see, there are lot of surveys available, and the good thing about this app is that, let me show you on Tap Research. So even if you are not able to complete a survey, you will get some screen out karma points. So to get higher screen out karma points, you have to keep the screen out numbers low and the completion, survey completion and offer completions number high. That means the points you are earning from offer completions must be more than the screen out points. To get higher screen out points, as you can see, my current screen out points are 5 to 25 points, which is very high, which is good. Okay, so now let's talk about some other offers you can complete, some other surveys you can take, and you can also install there one more app, App Karma, which in result will increase your earnings on this app, and you can earn a lot of points, additional points here. You have some additional offers as well. So here, as you can see, so these are the some quizzes you can take for certain points. And let's talk about the bonus as well. Like bonus, what all is there? Like you can have like BitLabs, you can complete BitLab surveys, precision sample surveys, and you can have video rewards as well. So like for watching one video, you'll get one karma point. If you like watching videos, you can try this, but generally you are not going to earn much from here. The next thing we have here is playtime rewards. This is very exciting and good. So if you see here, so you have to just permit the usage access here, accept, you have to allow the usage, and here you come. So as today is weekend, like when I'm recording this video, so you'll get double karma points. So just for playing 1 minute, you will get 4 karma points for this game. Here you will get 6 karma points, and some other games which I have installed, so I'll get these many points. So this is another way of earning on this platform. Okay, so you can earn just by playing games, which is very good. Now let's talk about the one more earning opportunity which we have here is, like you can earn badges. Like for example, if you see, I have 89 screen outs. So once I will have 100 screen outs, I'll receive 500 bonus points. Check-ins I have completed already. Once you have checked in 75 times, that means 75 days you have checked in, you'll receive 500 points. This is just additional bonuses which are great. So completing offers, also have completed all the 4 badges, you'll receive badges, and your earning level will also increase. Like for example, if you are completing a 100 points offer, then you will receive 7.5% extra points on that once you have reached the level 2, which is on 10,000 karma points. Another way to earn on this app is by inviting friends. You can earn 10% of their earnings, and make sure that, see, to get 300 points, additional points, you need to enter some referral code. So if you need my referral code, I'll leave below in description. If you have any other referral code, you can use it there, but to get 300 points, you definitely need one referral code. Okay, now let's talk about the payout methods which they have. So as you can see, like Flipkart voucher, they are offering 250 rupees Flipkart voucher you'll get on 5,000 karma points. 500 Flipkart voucher you will get on 9,500 karma points. And for other countries, they might be having some other gift cards as well. If you want to get paid through PayPal, then you have to redeem like $10 you'll get on 13,500 karma points. Here you can see the list of markets where it is available, and if you see in United States, they have like so many other options as well, gift card. And if I talk about any other, if you see for Australia, they have these many gift card, or maybe Canada if we see. So these are the gift cards available there. Okay, now let me show you the payment proof of this platform. So here is the payment proof. So as you can see here, that if you are redeeming $10, then this will be the commission they'll be getting, and you'll be paid $9.41. So yes, this is a legit way to make some extra cash online. Yes, this app does pay, and you can get support here as well. You can write to them directly an email, and they'll provide you the support if needed in any case. But don't think that just screenouts will help you. You obviously need to complete the offers. Once you start earning from the offers, then your screenout points will definitely increase. So keep that in mind. And you can earn just by playing games as well, as I showed you. Watching videos is another option, but that won't earn you much on this app. And this app karma you can install, which will be a bonus for you. The higher, and another good thing about this app is, once you have completed one offer, after completing each offer, you will definitely receive at least one scratch card. Even you can earn 3 or 4 scratch cards if you have completed a higher reward survey. So which is very great. And yeah, it is, all in all, it is a very legit way to make some extra cash online, and you should definitely consider this joining. I'll leave a link below in description. You can join from there. I will also leave my referral code there. If you want to use that, you are very welcome to use it. If you have some other referral code, you can use it. Thanks for watching this video.